What is up, YouTube? It is a new day. It actually rained a little bit yesterday, last night, as you can see, and a little bit in the afternoon. I received these. Now let me tell you why this is important. Let's go over here for a little walk. Yeah, I just woke up and I walked outside. So, let me tell you why these are a little important. So, when little story time. My Subaru WRX Impreza wagon had an unfortunate accident. It got flooded out in some heavy rains in my work area, really bad area where the drainage system is kind of not great, but there was water up to my waist. And then I get to my car and everything's floating inside the car. So the car is gone. Fortunately, was able to take a few parts off. One being a set of wheels, two being my axle back. So later I will be trying to put that axle back onto there with a custom exhaust, everything. But those set of wheels were aftermarket. They've been sitting here for about, I'm gonna say 3 months. 3 months. And they're here. So they've just been sitting back here for about 3 months behind everything, and I finally get to put them on. So I will go get them. With my toes. So here we are. These are my odd on. They're still a little dirty. Very dirty, actually. And those are gonna get put on today. So I'm pretty excited. They've just been sitting here. They're very dirty. It's gonna look really dumb because my car is still at stock height with these super stretched tires, and it's gonna look hilarious. But I don't care because I've been wanting to put these on the car for a minute. So we'll get this going. I'm gonna walk back to it and start propping up the car, and we'll be on the road again. Done. The combination actually came out really smooth. It took way longer than 30 minutes that I expected I was gonna take. And I told you it was gonna look silly. I could put that much gap in it. I gotta lower it for sure. Thought it was gonna hit, but it's actually like two fingers in. Doesn't hit. Space is pretty good. Actually, the fitment is pretty damn good. Let me see. I just need to lower it a tad bit, but I think I'm getting some actual meaty tires. As you can see, the front two are missing a lug. There's 4 of them right here, and then there's 4 of them on the other front. I had a little mishap. One of them, the bolt stripped. I luckily had the nut come out. The other one, the bolt just came off with piece of the lug. So that wasn't fun. But what I'm planning on doing is a ARP. Let me see if you can see me better now. ARP extended lug nut, lug, yeah, on both sides, just so we can get that going. But I don't know how long that's gonna take. We gotta see. For right now, I'm just enjoying how this is. It actually looks pretty good. I thought it was gonna look worse because of the extreme space on it, but it just looks like it has tiny tires on it right now. That shit looks so stupid. So if any of you guys over there want to hook me up with some coilovers, I don't even care if they're used or anything, just some coilovers for this 2001 Forester, it'd be awesome. I would appreciate it. Just let me know what you guys think. This shit looks hilarious to me. All right, thank you guys for watching. Peace out and have a wonderful day. Boom.